Want to view your Tesla's Dashcam and Sentry Mode footage directly in your car? This video shows you how. We'll cover accessing, viewing, and managing your recordings on your Tesla's touchscreen. As of December 2025, Tesla has made it easier than ever to review these clips directly in your vehicle, giving you immediate access to crucial footage. Tesla's video system leverages the vehicle's external cameras to provide comprehensive recording capabilities. The system includes two primary modes: Dashcam for driving and Sentry Mode for parking. Dashcam mode continuously records from front, rear, and side cameras during drives. It activates automatically with events like sudden braking. Sentry Mode engages when the vehicle is parked, using motion detection to record potential threats. All recordings are stored locally on the car's SSD drive. To access your Tesla's video footage, start by tapping the Controls button on your vehicle's touchscreen. This opens the main settings menu. Next, navigate to the Service option in the Controls menu. This section contains vehicle maintenance and advanced features. Then select Dashcam from the Service menu. This will open the in-car video viewer where you can access your recorded footage. Once in the Dashcam menu, you'll see recent clips from both Dashcam mode during driving and Sentry Mode while parked. The interface shows footage from multiple camera angles. Use the on-screen controls to browse through your clips, play or pause footage, and delete recordings you no longer need. The interface is designed for quick and easy navigation. Tesla's video system stores up to 10 hours of footage locally on the vehicle's SSD drive. This includes Dashcam recordings and Sentry Mode clips. You can save important clips you want to keep, such as accident footage or security incidents. Delete footage you no longer need to free up storage space and maintain privacy. Regularly review your recordings through the Tesla app or in-car viewer to manage storage and ensure space for new events. Tesla provides user-controlled deletion features to respect privacy regulations, allowing you to delete clips automatically after a period or manually as needed. While the in-car viewer primarily focuses on viewing, the Tesla app allows for more advanced features. You can access and manage your video recordings remotely through the app on your phone. Use the Tesla app to filter clips by timestamp and event type. You can easily distinguish between Dashcam recordings, which capture driving events like sudden braking, and Sentry Mode clips, which are triggered by motion detection while parked. You can download clips directly to your phone for offline access or sharing. This is particularly useful when sharing footage with insurance companies for claims or with law enforcement for investigations. Tesla's system includes watermarking on shared clips for authenticity. Remember that Tesla does not access user footage without explicit consent. All videos are encrypted end-to-end, and you have full control over deletion and sharing. This ensures your privacy while providing powerful tools for safety and security. If you're having trouble accessing footage, ensure your Tesla software is up to date. This resolves compatibility issues and enables the latest features. Also, check the SSD storage to confirm it's not full. Full storage prevents new recordings from being saved. If Sentry Mode isn't recording, verify it's enabled in the Controls menu. For persistent issues, consult Tesla's support documentation or contact Tesla service. Looking ahead to future trends in Tesla's video recording features, expect deeper integration of video data with the full self-driving software. This will allow post-event analysis to improve autonomous driving algorithms. Future updates might include live video streaming to authorized contacts, enabling real-time monitoring of parked vehicles for enhanced security. Additionally, AI-powered clip summarization will use computer vision to highlight key events in recordings, making it easier to review footage quickly. As Tesla continues to innovate, its video recording features will likely become even more powerful and user-friendly, enhancing safety and convenience.